Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti from My Fashion Lifestyle, and today's topic is a bit different from the styling and fashion talk. This is more about how you can pack for your vacation, and this is going to be like slightly a beach vacation, the essential pieces that you will need or the things you will need for a beach vacation. And I'm traveling to Goa, and so I just want to show you some of the pieces that you can take. I'm not talking about the exact pieces, but I'm just going to give you essential basic tips for this. And if you're still new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, I will be putting up my Goa vlogs on my travel channel. You can check it in the description. I'll also link it up here. And you can also go and subscribe to that channel. And you can also check out the videos on my Goa vlog on that channel. Now, without further ado, now let's quickly move on to the basic essentials that you'll need for your Goa trip or your beach vacation. Alright, the first thing is going to be packing up your backpack or your suitcase. So I'll show you later how you can just put the things properly in your suitcase and your backpack, if you are taking a backpack, of course. So first, let's talk about the essential pieces. Now, if you are traveling to Goa, remember to carry some cute tops. Now, what I mean by cute tops, it could be tank tops like what I'm wearing. It could also be crop tops, or it could be spaghetti. This will come in handy if you want to quickly change from a day look to a night look as well. So what you can do is, like, I have just picked a few of some cute crop tops. This is actually a tank top, and this one is a crop top. And I will be wearing this type of pieces in even multiple ways as well. Or what you can do is take tank tops, like I have these pre-workout tank tops, and you can even take this type of tank tops. Next is carry a shirt. Now, when you are having a beach vacation, you know that it can get very hot. You can tan your skin, so what you will be needing here is a shirt. Now, even if it's a chambray, a denim, or just a white shirt or any shirt, so always remember to take a shirt. Now, this one is a linen kind of a shirt, so I am going to be taking this shirt with me. And another thing is, you can also go for Bohemian kind of tops, or I would say lace kind of tops. So this one you can see is an off-shoulder. An off-shoulder top over here, so I am going to be taking this with me. And you can wear it with shorts, you can even wear it with your pants or jeans. Next is dresses. Now, if you are traveling for a beach vacation or to Goa, remember to carry sundresses or maxi dresses or just any dresses. This will come in handy even if you want to wear them for a day look, evening look, or even a night look. You will need dresses. So I am going to be carrying a few dresses, and the first one is this blue one. It's plain, I know, it's very basic, but you know, you can style it with scarves and all. So this is the dress that I'll be taking. I also have floral printed dresses which I'll be carrying. And another thing is, when we talked about some cute dresses or tops, you can also carry something like this. Now, this is actually a play suit which I have. I think I bought it last time from Goa when I was on my tour to Goa with. Next is something which is already, and it will always be in trend, whether which year you're going in, which are actually scarves. So I am carrying a quite different kind of scarves that you can see over here. I'm taking 3, you can take more if you want. Next, obviously, if you're a jean person, you can carry your jeans. I am also taking my jeans. But what is more useful when you're going for a vacation is culottes, of course. So I have this 3 culottes over here which I'll be taking. You can take any color. You can also take pants or plazzos. I'll also be carrying my plazo over here, and this is actually in a ribbed kind of pattern. So you can carry something like this if you don't want to go for a jean look. For vacations, culottes and plazos or elephant pants are the best options that you can go for. And the most important thing, like I told you about the shirt, that is what you will need it. You will also need some cover-ups. Like, I'm already wearing a strong kind of a cover-up right over here. I'll be taking this to Goa. I've also got this one which is in a cute chiffon kind of fabric, and I'll be also taking something like this. So remember, you need to have cover-ups to really help you during the sun. Now for accessories, apart from your sunglasses, there is something important that you'll be needing is your bags. Now, you already have a backpack which you will be carrying. Maybe you want to use that or you don't. So I have options, like you can go with a crossbody bag if you have that. These are in trend, and you can definitely take something like this. Or sling bags are also very useful when you are in Goa. They're easier if you're traveling or if you're just chilling out at the beach. You don't have to worry about it, and they're already on your body. Next is belts. Now remember that even if you are going to wear jeans or you aren't, if you have a dress, always carry some belts. These are very helpful if you want to like cinch up your waistline or you're not sure and you just want to give that fashion look. You need to carry some belts, and this is also a very important tip. Now comes to the cosmetic part, which is very important, is number one, your sunblock. You are going to need sunblock, and I've bought this SPF 50. I've also got a normal sunscreen, so I'm going to be carrying both because you don't want to tan yourself, so this is a very important tip. And if you're a person who has dry skin, remember to carry Vaseline or moisturizer. You are going to need this. You put it all over your skin, I mean like your body or your feet. You will be needing this. And the last part is sun hat or a cap. I will be carrying my cap, and I had a sun hat again from Goa, but I lost it. So what I'll be doing is buying one from Goa itself. But I will be taking my cap with when you're going to a beach vacation. Remember to carry sun hats or a cap, which is mandatory. So now let's move on with the basics of packing. So I can quickly pack everything into one bag and your backpack. So the things that you'll be needing in your backpack will be your charger, your sunglasses, your lip balm, maybe a lipstick, and maybe a comb. And always carry a diary. I normally carry my diary with me where I have written a few stuff. I've written a few stuff about Goa, how I plan my itinerary. So yeah, this is also very helpful. So these are the basic things that you can carry in your backpack. So let's move on with the packing. So normally when I'm packing, I like to make pouches. So all these kind of cosmetics are going to go in a pouch like this. If they all fit, or I'm going to take another pouch. And things like these are just going to go in my suitcase without any packing. I'll just show you where you can place this as well. Alright, that's done. So next is your makeup. Now I've got all my makeup in this small pouch, and I'm not going to use a lot, so I've got a different pouch for that as well. Okay, next is your jewelry box. I'm carrying the small box which has my necklaces, I mean like chains, and I've got a bracelet, rings, so I'm just going to put all those things in here. Plus I'm also carrying an extra watch, so what I'm going to do is also put it in here so it doesn't damage. Alright, so that's the suitcase, and this is the zipper side, and that's the normal side. So what I'm going to do is first put my footwear. Now I forgot to show you that obviously you'll need some slippers, so I have my slippers in here. And I've also got slip-ons, which are like these. These are in green. So I'm carrying something like this because you will need comfortable shoes when you're traveling on a beach vacation. So I'll just keep them in here. What I'll be keeping here is my sling bag. Put my pouches, which is my, of course, my cosmetics, my makeup, my jewelry box, sunglasses in here safely. These two also in here so they fit properly. So that's done on that side. Now on the other side we're going to be placing clothes here. Now I've seen this trick where you just need to fold your clothes like these. These are okay, so I just rolled out everything that I could, and now put a towel on top like this, zip it up, and I think it's done. Your bag's packed.